In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email update on Payhip. Sending email updates is a great way to keep your customers informed about new versions, important fixes, or extra resources you've added to your products. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process from inside your Payhip dashboard and give you a few tips to make your message clear and effective. Start by logging into your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look along the top menu for the option labeled Customers. Go ahead and click that. This will open a page related to all your customer management tools. Near the top or within that section, you'll see several tabs. Find the one that says Email Updates and click it. This is where you'll create and manage the messages you send out to people who have purchased from you. On the Email Updates page, look for a button that says New Email Update or has a plus sign next to it. Click that button. When you do, a pop-up window will appear where you can set up your email. The first thing you need to decide is who should receive this message. At the top of the pop-up, you'll see a drop-down box. Open that drop-down and choose whether you want to send the email to all of your customers or only to customers who bought a specific product from your store. For example, if this update only applies to one software tool or one digital download, it's usually better to target just the buyers of that product so they receive relevant information. Next, enter a subject line for your email update. This should be clear and specific so customers immediately understand what the email is about. If you're emailing about a new software version, you could use something like version 1.1 now available, or simply new update version 1.1. Try to keep it short but descriptive. Now move down to the main message body. Here is where you explain what's new. You might list the changes such as bug fixes, performance improvements, new features, or updated documentation. Write in a friendly, straightforward way so customers know exactly what has changed and why it matters to them. Once you've described the update, include the download link near the bottom of the message so it's easy to find. Make sure this link is correct and points to the latest version or resource you want them to access. When you're happy with your message, you have two options. If you'd like to see how the email will look before sending it to everyone, click the Send Test button. This will send a preview to your own inbox so you can double check the formatting, links, and wording. If everything looks good, go back to the pop-up and click Send to deliver the email update to your selected customers. And that's all you need to do to send an email update on Payhip.